All right, viewers, another breaking news coming in. Congress organizes a protest against a VBG Ramji scheme. Over 60,000 have gathered in Karnataka against centre. Congress making a VG Ramji the focus point in the local elections here. Top Congress leaders, in fact, are present at the protest site. The protest is against the VBG Ramji bill. In fact, and at this point, Congress protesters have gathered in Chikkabalapur. Over 60,000 people have gathered at the protest site. All right, my colleague Abhishek now joins me with more details. Abhishek, it seems that Congress wants to make the protest against the VBG Ramji bill a focus point in the local elections, and with that, about 60,000 people have gathered at the protest site.
ಜಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಹೆಚ್ಚಳ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Against the union government's VBG Ramji, the congressmen are demanding and will continuously demand for the abolish of the VBG Ramji bill, which had been taken into consideration by the union government. In the stage where the Congress has organized a protest against the VBG Ramji, they have named the entire protest as Narendra Bachao Andolan, which has been witnessed by CM Siddaramaiah along with the DCM DK Shivkumar, who's also the KPCC President. Randeep Singh Surjewala and Abhishek Dutt from the AICC have already sat in the stage along with various other ministers of the cabinet. More than 80 to 100 leaders of the Congress party, around 10 to 15 ministers along with around 50 to 60 MLAs have already seated next to CM Siddaramaiah and DCM DK Shivkumar to unanimously show that they are against the union government's VBG Ramji bill. While addressing the gathering of around 60,000, various other ministers and MLAs have claimed that Prime Minister Modi took the intense step of introducing the VBG Ramji bill even without considering the opinion of various other political parties in the Lok Sabha. And the Congress leaders along with the ministers have claimed the fact that the Narega Yojana or the plan was introduced by Manmohan Singh to make sure that the livelihood of the farmers and the below poverty line people throughout the country improves. The initial plan of the Narega Yojana was to give work for 100 days continuously for any person from the farming background, from the karmic background. On the other note, the congressmen have also claimed the fact that the VBG Ramji bill has taken away all the benefits to the farmers and the gig workers in the abolishment of the Narega bill. So this is unanimously showing the power through Karnataka is what the leaders have claimed as of now. Not only happen in Karnataka, but as per the leaders' statements, they have very clearly called for a protest not only in Karnataka but for throughout entire India. This being the first ever protest in such a big scale against the union government by the Congress leaders. It is expected that this will be spread out to various other states as well. On the other hand, Pradeep Ishwar, the MLA of Chikbalapura, has requested Prime Minister Modi on the stage to abolish the VBG Ramji immediately. On the other hand, we've also seen various other ministers of the government claiming the fact that the union government is in fact only helping the people of well worth or people who are above the poverty line or only the people who are influential to Prime Minister Modi. However, Prime Minister Modi and the NDA government, which is being led by the BJP and various other Mitra Paksh, haven't helped any farmers is what the Congress have claimed as of now.
Bachao Andolan in Karnataka. Thank you, Abhishek, for joining us from the